Hi and welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today we look at how we can solve 4 to the power x equal 24. Let's go! So the first thing to notice here is that 4 squared, well, that is 4 times 4, which is 16, and 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. So there must be a value x which is contained between 2 and 3, which satisfies this equation and which will be equal to 24. So before you start the question, bear in mind that x is a number between 2 and 3. Now, in terms of laws that we're going to use, we'll probably need to use a log law to say that log of a to the power b is equal to b log a. So that is the power law in logarithms, where you can drop the power in front. We might also use a splitting law to say that log of ab, when you have a multiplication, is equal to the log of a plus the log of b. So that is to say that whenever you multiply inside a log bracket, you're allowed to split the log bracket and turn it into an addition. Now, I think we have everything we need to start this question. So I would say the first thing to notice is on the right-hand side, 24 is made up of 4 times 6. So we can say 4 to the power x equal 4 times 6. So on the left-hand side, I'm trying to cancel 4 to the x, so I would highly encourage you to use log in base 4. And log in base 4 of 4 to the x, that's going to cancel itself out very nicely. And on the right-hand side, I also must use log in base 4 since I have to do the same operation to both sides, and that'll be 4 times 6. So on the left-hand side, log in base 4 of 4 to the x, well, that's very nice. That's just going to give me x as they cancel each other out. And on the right-hand side, I'm allowed to use this addition law, which says log in base 4 of 4 times 6 is in fact an addition, and it's the addition of log in base 4 of 4 plus log in base 4 of 6. Now, log in base 4 of 4 is going to be equal to 1, because whenever you do logarithms, you ask yourself the following question: which power of 4 is 4? Well, it's 4 to the first power. So that's how logarithms work. So this is 1 plus log in base 4 of 6. Now, doing a math question by hand, this is as far as I'm going to go, and this is a very good exact answer for this question. Now, there's no way for me to go any further than this by hand. I mean, there are log tables, but we don't use them, and we haven't done so for a very long time. So we're going to use a calculator now and say that the x is approximately equal to, so log in base 4 of 6 is 1.292, so this is 1 plus 1.292, and so x is approximately equal to, notice I'm trying to make a wavy equal sign here, 2.292. And if you remember at the beginning, we were trying to find a value of x which was between 2 and 3. And so this is going to be very good. It's one of the values that we were expecting. So 2.292 is a good power for 4 to be equal to 24. Thanks for watching this video today. We appreciate your support here at the Mathemagic channel. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and we shall see you on the next one. Bye-bye.